name's Eric. I work here at Fogle Manufacturing on a 320-inch bed Kingston lathe. The part I'm working on is a 199-inch long, tubular, 13 chrome. That's a more abrasive material. The chuck is a 24-inch diameter chuck. The depth of cut I'm taking now on the diameter is 125 thousandths, 62 thousandths per side. The feed rate I'm running right now is a 14 thousandths feed rate. Tooling we're using are ISCAR carbide inserts, cutting at about 200 surface foot. Deepest cut I've taken on this Kingston is 5/8 on the diameter, 625 thousandths. They make these big, pretty blue chips right here. I've operated 4 Kingston machines now. The first Kingston I ran was a 200-inch lathe, and I've ran another 160. I've ran 2 320 beds, so this is the 4th one I'm on now. It's a simple machine to operate and very well built.